From the Pasadena Media Center, this is News Brief for Friday, March 11th, 2022. As of Thursday, March 10th, Pasadena has reported 27,835 COVID-19 cases and 408 COVID-related deaths. The CDC is currently developing new guidance that will ease the nationwide mask mandate on airplanes, buses, and other mass transit next month, including developing a revised policy framework for when masks should be required on transit systems based on its newly released COVID-19 community levels metric. The existing face covering requirement, enforced by the Transportation Security Administration, has been extended through April 18th. The requirement was set to expire on March 18th, but was extended by a month to allow the Public Health Agency time to develop new, more targeted policies. The requirement extends to all planes, buses, trains, and transit hubs. Rose Bowl CEO and General Manager Darryl announced Thursday his intent to retire on June 30th. During his tenure, the Rose Bowl Stadium has hosted 4 college football national championship games, 3 semifinal championship games, several annual Rose Bowl games, the 1994 men's and 1999 women's World Cup finals, Copa America matches, and many high-profile concerts. One of Dunn's greatest accomplishments was the creation of the Rose Bowl Legacy Foundation, the venue's nonprofit fundraising arm. To date, the foundation has raised more than $50 million to support the Rose Bowl Stadium. After 27 years of working at the iconic stadium, Dunn said that it was with mixed emotions that he tendered his resignation, and said, "Being a part of the Rose Bowl and Pasadena team has been the most incredible opportunity of my career, and has shaped my journey in so many ways." The Rose Bowl operating company will immediately begin a search to identify Darryl's successor, under the direction of an ad hoc committee of the RBOC Board of Directors. The Pasadena Unified School District Board of Education unanimously approved the resolution changing the name of Washington STEAM Multilingual Academy to Octavia E. Butler Magnet. Born and raised in Pasadena, Butler became a renowned science fiction author. In her career, she received some of the highest honors in the field of science fiction writing, including multiple Hugo and Nebula Awards, as well as the MacArthur Fellowship Prize. Butler is an alumna of Washington STEAM Multilingual Academy, which, in her day, was known as Washington Middle School. On renaming the school in honor of Butler, school principal Dr. Shannon Malone said, "Octavia E. Butler is a role model for our students, as she exemplifies the qualities of a graduate of the Pasadena Unified School District, as presented by the PUSD Graduate Profile. Coming from a meager background, she persisted through struggling with a learning disability to a model of excellence, using skills such as creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, self-discipline, research, goal setting, and resilience." For Pasadena Media, I'm Joe Carbonetta.